Welcome back, junkies. In today's video, we're going to go over the overall trading plan, why it is working out perfectly so far. Your next opportunity to possibly short is coming into play soon. We're going to go over that in today's video and much more. Stick with me through the whole thing, guys. Make sure you're following me on X. I posted this. Everyone's expecting a blow off top. I feel like a broken record saying this. Another 1% all-time high for BTC. Absolute dump fest right now. I'm not surprised. You should not be surprised. If you're not following me on X, you're honestly missing out on content. I post a lot of trading stuff over there, guys. And if you're not in Discord, you are missing out on content as well. The free Discord has a lot to offer. And also, I will be starting to post at least one exclusive video for the free Discord. And I will not post on YouTube for that day.
It's like a reward.
Oh, yeah. Make sure you're in the free Discord, guys. Also an option to follow my trades over in the premium Discord. Just select upgrade here once you're in there. All that is pinned in the first comment down below. X at chart_junkies. Discord right there. Let's get into the analysis. Here's my macro outlook. You guys know where I stand. 125K is such a beautiful level. Yes. Oh my gosh. We hit up to 126K, Alex. It went to 126. Okay. All right. 125K about is going to be the top here, in my opinion. It's such a beautiful number, a round number. Obviously, it ain't going to hit perfectly, but it's a good level nonetheless. And I'm looking at this overall WXY. Guys, I just want to emphasize, as we're going to analyze this ABC, this white ABC I have drawn here, but I do want to emphasize, if you are bullish on the market, there's still an extreme possibility that you get this ABC. Whether you're bullish or bearish, you get this big wave to the downside. And if that was to occur, you can then become bullish right here, guys. I will then entertain your bullish counts in a serious way, but not until we get this move to the downside. I would still be, even if I was the most bullish bull of all bulls out there, I would still be expecting this dump to take place. And then I would say, okay, let's get bullish right here. But you know me, I'm expecting a more macro WXY to play out, a more macro correction to play out of this entire 5-leg move right here. All right. I feel like we need to correct this entire leg to the upside in a more elongated fashion, take a little more time, a little more pain in the market. But if I was to be bullish, I would still be expecting the C wave, and I would be expecting a nice bounce to occur here for big targets. My targets wouldn't be 180K, guys. It wouldn't even be 200K, guys. It would be there would be big targets. If we're pumping from right there, it's going to be big targets. I don't see that coming until we correct more appropriately on the macro. Okay, that's where I stand on the macro. Zooming in onto this ABC flat correction that I have here outlined in white. I'm trying to make this video as quick as possible. Just, I know our attention spans are small nowadays, myself included. Just giving you the goods here, guys. Stick with me. Everything is important in this video. Stick with me till the end. I'm going to give you the next short setup as well, if you're interested. Now, here's the ABC that I outlined. We did break all-time high, which I'm not happy with, but we did. And the way I'm looking at it is a correction down, this ABC correction up that broke high. We are in the 1618 box of the extension of this A wave. Our C wave extended to the 161.8%, which is beautiful. That's exactly what we want to see. And looking for an impulsive leg to the downside for our C leg of our flat. We know C legs of flats are impulsive. This is the market maker special. We absolutely smoke liquidity to the lows. We absolutely smoke liquidity to the highs, and then we dump on them, right? So this is the overall count that I'm looking at. This is the overall structure that I'm looking at. I would have loved to see this come up like this and hold right here. We did not do that. We went up right here, took the highs. Of course, Bitcoin's going to play like a little bitch. Of course, market makers are going to go for max pain. Why not? Now let's bring it down. Let's bring it down. You know, guys, I've been nailing this market over the past couple of months. This move right here, I did not want to see. I wanted to see just a little correction, or at least this correction. I shorted this right here. We let this play out. We started shorting again up in here, and we are currently short over in the premium Discord right now. Guys, if you want to follow my trades again, come on over to Discord. But we shorted the highs. Stop loss is at entry at this point, and I'm going to go over this, where my next position add is going to be and where your next possible short entry will be in 1 second. So stick with me. Again, if you want to follow my trades, just hop into the free Discord. There's an option to, and so much more included in there. I try to make it worth your money if you are a paying premium member. Now, would have loved to see this hold for a more potential for a big dump wave. We didn't get that. We started breaking through, no problem. I'm not going to FOMO into this. I'm not going to try to snag something. If I miss this little bit, I don't give a damn, boys and girls. I don't give a damn. Absolutely crushed this zone. Looking to crush this next zone. All right. I believe if I just scroll down on one of the comments here, Steamy Shred, this one of the only YouTube channels that didn't expect a pump, and everyone's like, the pump was pretty obvious. It was. Can't believe I hope for this now. It's shorted the whole pump. Shorted the whole pump. I'm genuinely confused, guys. I'm really confused at what. Are we looking at the same charts here? I don't know. This is what everyone's. I think everyone's expecting this. I think everyone's expecting this, and that's the problem. Which is crazy to me, but whatever. This is what I'm expecting. You guys know where I stand. Correction, downside. Now, where is our next short opportunity going to be? Where is our next short opportunity going to be? So here I have zoomed in. I'm expecting a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave move to the downside. And this, to me, I'm waiting for this one wave to finish up. It looks like we're in the 3 wave of that one. So as I break it down for you, it looks like we're in this 3 leg of the 1. So I'll draw the 1, 2. This is going to be 3. It'll correct out for 4 into 5, right? That's the impulsive wave that I'm looking for. Something like this. Again, if we pull fib targets, 103K looks really good to me, but really anywhere's in this 1618 box. Probably looking to play on these lows right here. Maybe take this low out slightly at the 1618 that comes in at 98K. I know this is a big target range, but I can get more accurate once we get down there. There's no point in trying to pinpoint a target when we're still all the way up here, right? But I'm looking for this one wave to finish up. And just looking at wave structure, guys, and kind of where imbalances are on the chart currently, maybe we come deep into here. Maybe we bounce right here. I need to see. It looks like we have a 1, 2. Maybe this is 3. Maybe we flag out for 4 and put in a 5 right here. Maybe that's going to be our 5 waves, and it's not going to be down here. I'm just looking for the 5 waves, and then some type of correction. So I'm not a fortune teller, guys. I don't know how exactly the correction is going to play out. It could be a flat. It could be a triangle. Unlikely. It could be an ABC. It could be a WXY. We could retrace high. We could retrace low. I am not a fortune teller, and I'm not going to try to make up something. I can only take what the market gives me, right? So as this wave progresses, we can come up with targets on the fib extensions, fib retracements. Guys, I don't trade only with Elliott wave. I trade based on a bunch of different data sets and data points. Elliott wave is just my foundation of my trading. I do want to point out here, while we're sitting on the 4 hour, we do have heavy momentum. A lot of times you'll see a nice little boom divergence wave put in. Maybe we want to go for one more quick high. Maybe this is a quick correction and we want to go smack one more high. My stop loss on my short is at entry. If this is going to be a corrective wave and go for one more high, I will get stopped out at entry, and that's fine. I'm not adding to my short here until I see 5 waves finish. That's going to be my cue. I have an impulse down, and then I see a corrective move finish. I will add to my short and open up fresh shorts. But until then, I'm chilling, and I'm fine to get stopped out at entry, and I will re-enter short if we go and smack the high one more time for another 1% all-time high. In my previous video, I stated this will be the most painful all-time high in Bitcoin's history, and I stand by that. Bulls are getting absolutely cock-teased, for lack of a better term, and they will continue to get teased until they can't take it anymore. bullish analysts, in my opinion, are way too bullish right now. They're okay to be bullish long term, but right now, I think we got to curb expectations. I try to give you the reality of the situation on this channel as best as I can, guys. Speak my truth on this channel. If you want to leverage trade with us, Blowfin's the best no KYC exchange I could find out there, guys. They're my main exchange. If you want to give them a try, I hooked you guys up with the best bonus they have to offer. They have proof of reserves. They're the quickest trading platform, major tournaments. They're hands down the most legit no KYC exchange. So if you're looking to trade, here is the bonus that I have for you. Is $1,200 in trading bonuses. Easy to attain, easy trading volumes. You barely have to trade anything and you're already getting bonuses. You might as well get paid while you're trading. Give them a try. No KYC. You sign up with your email. You get access to this campaign and every single future campaign I run with them. I get you guys the best bonuses every time because they are the best exchange, and I want you guys to use the best exchange and not these shitty, fucking shady off-brand exchanges that scare the hell out of me, honestly. Smash the link pinned in the first comment below, or use code ChartJunkies to give them a try. You also get VIP trading fees, VIP 1 trading fees. You usually got to do 10 million trading volume. You get that automatically. Make sure you pop into Discord, check it out. Make sure you follow me on X. All the links are pinned in the first comment down below. I will see you in tomorrow's video, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for daily Bitcoin updates. Trade safe. Love you. Peace.